Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DL Boots.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to unbox and review this brushless Ridgid circular saw. I got it at Home Depot. Keep in mind, this is not a pay ad that they asked me to do. I just needed a circular saw and I bought this one. So we're gonna review it, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna cut some things, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. So let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna open the box and see what it comes with. Like I said at the intro of the video, this is the tool only instructions, and the tool and it does, oh nice, it comes with a blade, so that means that I don't need to buy a blade. I already have a few Ridgid tools. I really like them, they're not bad, and I didn't want to have battery ones because I have a few batteries lying around, so I didn't want to spend extra for the batteries. So let's put this blade on the circular saw, and then we can go ahead and make some cuts and see how it goes. So usually this comes with an Allen wrench, and you have this bolt here that you can use, and the Allen wrench, oh, it's right here. You just push it out, and then, well, there's a button right over here, so when you are unhooking this, so you can unfasten it. Now that we have this, we're just gonna mount the blade. This is a 7 1/4 inch blade. Just screw it back on. Keep in mind you have the button right there, and make sure it is fastened. And yep, that's there. So here you have a few levels depending on what angle you would like to cut the wood that you're cutting, and this is the protecting plastic. Okay, so far I'm always just looking at the package. It does look like they have a lifetime warranty for free part service, and this is a pretty good deal. It just has to be a 90 days. Within 90 days when you bought it. Pretty sure you can check that on Home Depot. I believe Home Depot is the only place that you can get this, and also I'm pretty sure you can get it on Amazon as well. But I am just going to add one of my batteries that I have and see how it goes. Okay, I do have a battery right here, and let's see. Few things about this is, like, this has a safe right here that you cannot operate this without having to move this latch here. Which is pretty cool. It does have a light. I'm pretty sure that, like I said earlier, if you need to cut it in an angle, you can move this. So let's make some cuts. Alright guys, after using this tool, I think it's a pretty good tool. I like how compact it is, and it's not that big, it's not that heavy either. One thing that I don't like, and it's something that I might need to work on, is the amount of sawdust that I get from it is crazy. It would be nice if it had like an if it would come up with an attachment. I'm pretty sure you can buy it extra. But other than that, I mean, like, for what I need this tool, it gets the job done. It's not too expensive, it's not too cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like it was made with really good materials. The other thing is that, as I said before, the batteries, I have my own batteries. I didn't choose to buy the one with the battery because it costs extra. So this is a good tool for a beginner. If you want to make your own projects, I think this is a tool that you should have, especially if you're doing some carpentry or woodworking. If you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. And I'll see you next time for the next video. So have a good day.